Good morning, boys and girls. We are ready for math. All right, we're going to be working mostly with the number 10 today. We're going to go back and look at 9 just a little bit, but we're mostly going to be working with the number 10. All right, so you've got a 10 frame right here. You've got a 10 frame right here. In this first 10 frame, they want you to show 9. So you've got your math counting pieces. I've got mine. I'm going to show 9. If you've got yours out, you can be working with me. If you do not have your things out, then you can watch me for directions and then go back and do yours. All right, I know if I'm showing the number 9, that I can only have one spot left on that 10 frame. All right, so this top row, I know there is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, after you have shown 9 with your pieces, then they want you to go and color in 9 spaces on your 10 frame. So I always mark mine first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should have one empty space. Then you're going to color them in. Going back and forth using big strokes. Make sure when you're coloring, you're using a crayon. All right, there's 9. Then when you go to the bottom 10 frame, they want you to show the number 10. So I'm going to need to use all my counters and fill in the whole 10 frame. There should not be any empty spaces. All right, so I can look at it and tell that it's full. That means there's 10, or I can touch and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, then they want you to show that with your crayon. So I don't even have to mark each one. I just know I'm going to fill in that whole 10 frame. All right, my 10 frame is full. So there's 9, there's 10. All right, when you're finished with that, you will turn your page over and you should have a red apple at the top of the page. The directions say put one of your counting pieces on each balloon. So I'm going to cover up each balloon. All right, now let's check to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now they said move your counting pieces down to the 10 frame. What do you think is going to happen? If we had 10 counting pieces and we're moving them down to the 10 frame, then our 10 frame should be full when we get them all down there. It is. So we've got 10. So trace the 10. So 1, 0. And then they want you to fill in that 10 frame with your crayon. So I don't have to count them all since I know it's going to be full. It's going to be all 10. And color every one. All right, the 10 frame is full. So we show 10 with a number and by filling in the 10 frame. Okay, boys and girls, when you flip your paper over, I'm going to work probably 2 of these with you, and then you're going to do the rest of these by yourself, and I will check it when you bring it in. We're going to show different ways to make 10, just like we have with some of our other numbers. All right, so I'm going to trace my 10. All right, so I'm using red and yellow. Those are the colors I have. You will use whatever color you have. Some of you have blue and yellow, green and yellow, red and black. I'm going to put some red counters up here. And I'm showing 10, so my whole frame is going to be full. And then I think I'll do the rest of them yellow. Alright, so my 10 frame is full, so I've made the number 10. I'm going to check to see how many red ones I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many yellow ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, if you did the same problem as me, you would write those numbers. If you showed 10 a different way, then you need to use your numbers. If you did 7 blue ones and 3 yellow ones, then you need to write that. Alright, but 6 plus 4 equals 10. I'm going to clear my board and do one more, and then you're going to finish up by yourself. Put some more red ones down. And I'm going to fill in those last 2 spaces with yellow. Alright, so I need to see how many red ones I have. Well, the top row's full, so there's 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 8 red ones and 2 yellow ones. So 8 plus 2 equals 10, because my 10 frame is full. All right, boys and girls, you are going to do those last 2 by yourself. I will check it when you come back. And then on the back sheet, by the red apple, I want you to look at those different sets of stars. Circle the sets that have 10 in them. There might be more than one, so you need to count each set. If there's 10 in it, circle it. And then down here by the yellow sun, you are going to draw 10 of something. You might do 10 squares, 10 flowers, 10 sunshines, 10 hearts. It's up to you. All right, boys and girls, if you have any questions or need any help, send me a message.